One thing that we didn't get to before we get to these 2000s now, how did your role come up for Third World Cup?
Yes, Third World Cup. No, well, Sharon Burke,
Mhm.
she had the link. You know, these people for the movie they wanted artists with a certain kind of look. With a certain kind of image, like at the time, Scare Them crew used to have an image. Them, I mean, them man, they image you them still.
Mhm.
Elephant Man, them ear color up and stay a certain way. I was the only one in Main Street who used to wear my hairstyle when my ear them stick out, you know, stick up in the ear, so go all the way back and raise. So the hairstyle and the look is
Mhm.
like the guys. I'm not sure if it's Schoenberg who recommend me, but they wanted the image, and I guess because I was out there and the image out there and read them see and I say, yeah, I have the image too, so I think it would not fit good with XYZ or certain people, so I fit well with Skaden because at the time, the part in the movie, it was me and Harry Toddler in the
Mhm.
car. And the man, they have the hairstyle thing going to a race. So it was me and him, and Boom Dynamite was a part of the movie too, and Elephant. So them use we as the image guy. So that is how me get the tap in.
Mhm.
So I was the only guy from Main Street who got in that movie. And it's based on the image that I have at the time.
Yeah. Okay. And this was basically your second acting, because remember the first one was as the officer in Bodyguard, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
now
yeah,
Third World
music
Cup.
video still. Yeah, so the first one, I was just, acting as a bodyguard in the
Mhm.
Grease video. But this one was actually a movie role, you
Yeah.
know? Yes.
Crazy. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.